Someone put something in there they feel they need don't know.
Richard, do you want the paper? Want today's paper?